I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Don Wheaton on white.
With its large, bold grille and distinct logo, everyone will know you're rolling in a Benz. This 2012 Mercedes Benz CLS550 features all the comforts of a luxury sedan. It still has the goods to knock your socks off on the road. You get 402 horsepower out of the twin-turbo 4.7-liter V8, which is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. It's also equipped with the Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction. The cabin does a nice job canceling out noise for a quiet, relaxing ride, and includes heated and cooled front seats that can also massage you while you drive. Now that's living large, my friend. And despite being 6 years old, this CLS550 still has a ton of high-end technology, like front and rear sensors, a backup camera, adaptive cruise control, panoramic roof, power rear vent shade, power trunk, and a premium audio system.
If you have any questions, please reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Don Wheaton on White and check it out for yourself.